Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai visa runs, specifically to Laos. Now, as I've made other videos on this topic before, and I know it's a bit of a semantic point, but I view there being a difference between what's called a border run and a visa run. So when you're talking about a border run, I usually take that to mean you're just hopping over the border, coming back in to get lawful status on re-entry. You're not going to an embassy, basically. With visa runs, I view that as a trip to an embassy to get a visa. Again, I know that's slightly semantic difference, but I think it's pretty important because you're doing two different things. So when somebody says border run to me and they really mean a visa run, I don't know. In my mind, I'm thinking of a different thing. But I've done this so long, maybe I make these tiny little distinctions, like trying to, separate fly poop from black pepper, But that's just what I do, I guess. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from Pattaya Mail, that's pattayamail.com. Article is titled, Thai Visa Runs to Laos, Latest Updates. Quoting directly, the Thai Embassy in Laos has announced that applicants will need to show a Thai bank book with at least 25,000 baht, around $650 US, available for spending in Thailand. Most nationalities can apply for the 60-day tourist visa, but those from 29 countries, including China and Bangladesh, may be subject to significant delays as further identity checks are made. As we noted in another video, they're saying the same thing for border runs at the Cambodian border as well. Excessive ID checking, depending on nationality or depending on if you had somebody sort of dealing with your case in advance, ID checking may result in delays on being able to get back across the border. Quoting further, double or multiple entries to Thailand are awarded only to Laos citizens or to foreigners with long-stay residence rights. So, first of all, what are we talking about long-stay residence rights? Non-immigrant visa status or above. If you're a permanent resident of Thailand, you're allowed to come back. But if you're in like a business visa, an O marriage visa, an O retirement visa, OA retirement visa, basically long-term visas that allow you to stay for more than 90 days, basically. And yeah, that's what you're looking at with regard to an ability to go up to Laos, deal with your visa, and come back. As we noted in other videos quite some time ago, there was a time when Vientiane, Laos was very, very popular for folks doing visa runs, and that popularity drifted off a few years ago when they started doing this online appointment system. It was no longer first come, first served, and you just saw the number of applications drop off dramatically. So worth noting that there. But yeah, interesting stuff going on. Looks like Laos is now a viable option for a visa run. But that said, there are caveats and there are restrictions associated with processing a visa through the Thai Embassy in Vientiane, Laos.